Hey yo, it's Chris O, the Skippy. How is everyone? Now we're doing another bathroom. I'm just about to lay this floor. The other day I screeded it. I'm doing 2 bathrooms at once in the same house, so I've screeded both floors. I don't usually screed and lay the next day. I screed and lay at the same time. But with 2 bathroom floors, I thought I would screed them both, and now I'll just tile them both today. In this ensuite, it's a smallish ensuite, about 4 square meters on the floor, and we're using a strip drain, and we're creating our slope down to that strip drain. They want it, they want the tiles laid in a brick fashion, so that's fine. Oh, nearly laid it the wrong way around. I just put a bit of glue on that edge. Now you see what I've done there? I've explained it in other videos. That is the bee's knees, everyone, because you've got your water running down into the strip drain. Your sides are running in to the middle and into your strip drain. It's oh, that's for here. Yeah, that's for here. Yep, cool, right. So we've got this one. Put a bit of glue on the edge. Glue on the edge. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. Nice. Now that I love these strip drains because I reckon they're the ultimate. Okay, I'll hang up now so you don't get bored. Here I mix up a little bit of mud and I just lay them so it's going to be mitered. Mitered and sloping up so it's running back into the waste. It's all so cool. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye. Thumbs up. Poke the subscribe. See ya. Bye.